In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a project in Base44. Sharing your work is a key part of collaborating with teammates or clients, and Base44 makes this pretty straightforward once you know where everything is. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process, step by step, so you can confidently invite others to view or work on your project. First, start by opening Base44 and navigating to the project you want to share. This might be a dashboard, a report, or any workspace you've already created. Take a moment to make sure you're inside the correct project, because whatever you share will be based on the project that's currently open. If you manage multiple projects, double check the project name or content so you don't accidentally send access to the wrong one. Once your project is open, look towards the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see a small share icon. It's usually represented by an arrow or a symbol that suggests sending or sharing. Go ahead and click on that share icon. This is your main control center for inviting people or grabbing a shareable link. After clicking the share icon, a sharing panel or pop-up will appear. In this panel, you'll see a field where you can type in an email address. Click into that field and carefully type the email of the person you want to invite. It's a good idea to double check for typos, especially if you're inviting a client or someone outside your organization. If you need to invite multiple people, you can usually add their emails one by one, depending on how your Base44 setup is configured. When you're happy with the email or emails you've entered, look for the button labeled Invite. Click on Invite to send the invitation. Base44 will then send an email to that person with a link to access the project. Depending on your workspace settings, they may need to create an account or log in before they can see it. If you prefer not to enter emails directly, or if you want to share the project in another tool like a chat app or project management system, you can also copy a shareable link. In the same sharing panel, look for an option to copy the link. Click that and the link will be copied to your clipboard. From there, you can paste it into an email, a